Another day, another farm chore. Let's do this. Like my outfit. Looking real good, right? This is what my outfits usually consist of. It was a long day at work, but these animals don't care and they still need to be fed. So let's do that. For those of you that are new here, this is our farm. Welcome. Uh, Me and my boyfriend started this about like 5 years ago. Before that, my boyfriend's dad had buffalo here. But we built all these barns and stuff. So let me take you around and let's do chores. It's a nice day today. Hungry or what? We usually give them 3 scoops of their pellets in the wintertime. In the summertime, it's a little less because they also get lots of scraps from other people in the summertime. Hello. We learned when we went to ban this calf the other day that it's actually not a bull calf, it's a heifer. So we named her Beatrice. Didn't we? She is full of it. We also took the barn door off the barn because it's been so nice. Let's see if we can get her to come up to us. Come here, Bee. Come here, Mama. You know you want to come say hi, right? I know you want to. Yes. Phil tells me cows don't know their names, Kalika. But guess what? I'm still gonna try. All right. Well, that was a good try. Everyone's getting impatient. Let's get this chicken back in its coop. I don't know how you keep getting out, but she likes to lay her eggs in the donkey barns. At least she figures out her way to come back. That's nice. I don't have to chase her around the yard. Look at who's watching. Let's get these donkeys fed. And like I said, she likes to lay her eggs in the donkey barn. Look at broken egg. Are you hungry? Donkey net secured. The vet came the other day and told us we need to put them on a diet. So the donks are on a diet and they're not very happy about it. Let's go get them hay. Donkey hay secured. Let's go give it to him. Well, are you guys hungry? Do you want to eat your hay out here? That's something new. We haven't hung it out here before, but it's so nice out. They just want to eat out here, right? All right, let's go get the chickens done. Oh my gosh, you're falling. Good catch, right? Okay, now let's go get these chickens done. Eggs secured. Now let's go get everyone water. Everyone's fed. Look who it is. The man himself. Just showing up as soon as farm chores are almost done.